Welcome back, YouTube, to another episode. We are going to get the best cinematic shots ever. And the one thing that you always need is a rollers guy, but you also need a drone guy. And you want to have a drone guy because you get amazing cinematic shots like this and like this. And you also have to make sure that you treat him well too, because you got to make sure you give him what he needs. So today we're out here with our boy Dex. Follow him on YouTube at these two links below. Dex. So the reason why we're out here today, we're out here filming underglow shoots for the Defiant Garage Defiant Glow Kit. And if you haven't gotten those, get those today because they're on sale on the website. Limited supply for the first batch. The next batch is going to be higher amounts, so make sure you get yours today. Now, what we're doing, we are out in the Everglades, trying to get a nice cinematic shot for the evening, so that way, you know, the rollers look amazing, the underglow looks amazing, and we give y'all some very quality and detailed shots. Now, to have it come together, it takes a lot of practice and a lot of skill, and that's why we said, get you a good drone guy who's been doing this for a few years. Are you out?
Oh, no, because what happens is, for example, if I go like this and I hit something close, it'll go up. That's why they started trying to go up in the middle of your car, bro.
So what's the first thing that somebody getting into drone photography should do?
Definitely figure out their budget, and you know, once you figure that out, then you can kind of go and look for the drones that you might end up wanting.
So as a starter, what was the first drone that you ended up with?
The first drone I got was the DJI Mini 4K that actually came out in the middle of last year, and it is their budget DJI drone, which you have to take into account that DJI is the best cinematic drone company in the world.
So what do you love about drone photography?
For one, the cinematic shots, and for two, just being able to see different perspectives, for example, from up above.
Now, these action shots are crazy. Well, tell me about your other drone that are doing the flips and everything that you got going on here right now.
So the other drone that I have is currently a Tank-Q 6S batteries 5-inch. It's an FPV drone, so that means I wear the goggles, DJI goggles G2, and then I run them with the DJI FPV remote controller too. But this drone is what allows me to go up to 90 miles an hour. I can do backflips, front flips, chase cars, all that good stuff.
All right, so we're doing a couple of laps around the parking lot right now, and mind you, this is a empty parking lot for a boat ramp. There's no people here, so that way we're not in a harm to any public utilities or people or anything like that. And we're driving pretty slow, getting the rollers with the drone in the parking lot.
Defiant on the track.
sunset pictures mean sunset setting. So far, we recorded a couple of rounds and laps of us with the underglow. These look are looking amazing right now. So again, get yourself a pair.